What go on, people? Big up on yourself. Hold on then. John, no, AC I make be nice. Oh no, go on it. Are you guys ready for grace? Are you guys bracing for grace? Some of the Negril people I take one little spin, go see how that's bombard, see how that storm I treat the place, and I'm bringing it along with me. So I don't know if I plan to come Negril, probably when you see this I want to turn back or I can decide if I can still come Negril. But yeah, we'll see what I'm going out there. So. Rains is crazy, man. So we are going on the western side where we can see the sea, so we can have an idea of what really are going. But right now, normally daytime, like because we don't down here every day, this part of the Negril will never look so dark and gloomy and all that. So yeah. The storm is really here, or it's close by. So I approach the Negril Transportation Center. As you can see, taxis still out there. All of the Western Union them close and all them kind of places, so you see taxis still around. We just spin through bus park, see what's going up there. Couple taxis still there. Bombard, this is a man of skill. The people don't look on this man and carry back and rain and fall like wow, I know saying half year get wet. So 1 and 2 taxis still there, bus park people. Da-da-dum, brace for grease. So we are going on the beach and look like some people stranded down there, so. God. I mean, you know, I don't think we can manage one storm right now, I swear. With everything we are going with corona and curfew and crime. God. So the weather stay up for now, and people, all the people them were hold on there. Give me like a FaceTime there. All the people them up the line or else you're in Jamaica. You can tell me in the comments how the weather stay down where you're there. Jaja. Boss is still out in my hustle. Me bumpy Jones. And me just can't show them no more. Now let me pan fit to blur need. Wipe off window my general. Well, the tree them not really blow side to side, so the wind is not here as it, just the water. Gas station still operational for right now. But yo, the sky look really scary. I mean, even when it rain in Negril and it really overcast and the clouds and black, it just never looks like how it looks right now. So for the most part, all the business places I'm still open. It's just heavy rains, really heavy rains. Ja. And people them start people are not afraid of weather, people. Oh, people are not Pizza Hut stand or not Pizza Hut. Popeyes or other pizza place the name. And taxi still down here. Taxi still there, people, so you can still get taxi. Alright, we are gonna look on the scare part now, guys. West end. Put them still up there, God. Me know nobody no one there see right now. Oh, God. Yo, people, wanna see how he seen? He see look calm as blurred neat. But me no like how the water look down here, so guess who I turn back? Yeah, Larry, I turn back right now. This is enough for me. I'm already scared. No, because the sea look like he could have get miserable at any time. See me? But the sea really look calm though. So I guess we're not getting no wind yet. Or I can probably wrong because it's some wave rolling the bombard. Let's get out of here, Akeen. Big body of water look really scary right now, I swear. And we just can't show them no more. Anjo, on a bridge one fix right up here, so one big old pothole in the road. Just to make Anjo know where I'm going, you see me? Yeah. So we are currently on, what's the name? Norman Manley Boulevard. People not gonna hear some annoying noise. I'm just play some music for that section. I can turn on the AC, and the AC have one really annoying sound. So, yep. So like right now, alright, never mind. Yo, the road empty. The road empty. She's right. Storm a come. Everybody for there then yard. But I don't understand with them when is turn on your light. clown, you know, see, say, people can't see you real good. But it look like up a boulevard good though. No flooding now going up also. No flooding now going nowhere actually, at Negril. Yes, man, I don't see though, I don't see what going. So me I go turn back. I not think nothing interesting to see up the road more than just rain and rain and rain and rain and rain. Rain. John, no, I should have one girlfriend. I wrap up with her, you know. That was a joke. That was a joke. That was supposed to be a joke. So we are go back home, man, people. Not interesting, not the upper surface, really. Really used to the hurricane and all that. Like somebody punch or something. But differently though, as you can see the road full of water, I wouldn't advise nobody become a Negril right now. None at all. No way down here, so. Just left that until storm gone. Norman Manley Boulevard, that's the name, I think so. No, correct me if I'm wrong. They are that travelers, to be exact. But I can't see them be water them on the road. When I did younger, then something that excitement. I like here when hurricane I come out and storm. You see how like tree them blow down and say, right now, we don't like it. That just means a current gone, internet gone. No YouTube, no videos, you know when hurricane, no storm, can't manage that. Andrew, you see where your patrol cars my boss see there? Patrol I want to fix, a 2-man just see there. I think I joke, man. Out of Negril, that's up, over the bridge. You know where they say prostitute then? Yeah, my boss, come fix your road. You know, say that you specialize in fix roads. After this one, you might have a few roads to fix. I go back in now, people. Yeah. So, the taxi man is still active. No storm can't stop them. Look like a breeze that start now. That will not pass us first. We never have no trees, I never see like how them are going now. Oh, look like squaddy out there now. boss saying I'm gonna get some food. Not choice. Chat me at that, I don't know what they're doing. So people, like that. Brace for grace. Brace for hurricane or storm or whatever it is, grace. As you know see, taxi lane still operate down here, so down here. We basically good right now. Down here Negril, good, but not good if you come down here up and down. So yeah, we are go back in now. Little more, big up on yourself. And yes guys, me down at Jamaica City, Richard Brown Films. I don't see no shooting going on, but I see them edit and I get one movie recently, I don't really know what going on. So that's why I don't see them kind of videos right now. And I currently at work on a movie myself, and I tell you so there's a movie channel link in the description. Yeah. And big up all the members then, big up everybody we support. Big up everybody. Big up Andrew, big up Maroon Boss, big up Police, Soldier, everybody. One love. Like more. We got it.